My people, welcome back to the channel where they give una the hottest gist, where they give una the sharpest updates and the kind news we go make una sit up. Today matter na double wahala, one from Oyo Forest wey involve Sunday Igboho and the Insecurity team, and another from Ogun State wey shock everybody as retired broadcaster and a guard meet untimely death. So now make we start with Oyo gist. Yoruba Nation activist Sunday Adetayo, wey everybody sabi as Sunday Igboho, carry in private security outfit Iru Ekun entered Old Oyo National Park. The mission na to flush out kidnappers and bandits wey dey disturb peace for the area. Them no go empty-handed o. Drones dey fly for help, scanning the forest. Drones dey look for hideouts, but as them dey advance, na so wahala burst o. Heavily armed men, the suspected cross-border bandits, ambushed them. Gunfire scatter everywhere, na real battle inside bush o. Reports talk say several members of Iru Ekun security squad collect bullet wound. Exact number never clear, but the matter serious. Governor Seyi Makinde don confirm say preliminary investigation show say na cross-border bandits dey behind the attack. Community people dey fear because Old Oyo National Park don already get bad name as hideout for kidnappers. Residents dey beg for more collaboration between official security agencies and the vigilante groups. Analysts dey talk say the use of drones show say intelligence-led operation dey enter new level, but the ambush prove say the fight against banditry is still tough. So Sunday Igboho matter don raise fresh update that should private outfits dey allowed to run operations inside forest without full government backing? Hey, na question wey dey hang for now. So now make we waka go Ogun State. This one a tragedy wey pain everybody o. Retired Ogun State television broadcaster Madam Olakitan Oyesiku and her security guard Pelumi Adetayo them find them lifeless body for Owode Egba residence on June 21. A Lexus RX 330 vehicle vanished from the compound. Now so immediately police swing into action. Them recover the stolen motor and them even find handwritten notes for the scene. Forensic analysis of the note give them the clue. Now so them track the principal suspect. And who be the principal suspect? Now her former security guard, a 22-year-old soldier in the Olajuwon Philip. Them catch him for construction site inside Abeokuta. When them interrogate him, he confess. He talk say he planned the attack because of grievance from when he did work for Madam. He talk say we mother her to teach her a lesson. Chai, wickedness no get limit for this guy heart, yo. His confession lead police to arrest two other accomplices. Shakiruddin Abdurrahim Ayola, 27 years of age, another security guard, and Sobu Obafunsho, wey be 36-year-old bricklayer. Police recover exhibits, broken hammer, cutlass, blank, and black pen. Commissioner of Police Bode Ojajune don assure say suspects go face court once investigation complete. Community dey shock because Madam Olakitan, a respected broadcaster wey serve Ogun State television for years. The case highlights the danger of disgruntled domestic staff and the need for serious vetting. So my people, na two heavy stories we carry come today for Oyo Sunday Igboho and him team face deadly ambush inside forest. For Ogun State, retired broadcaster and a guard fall victim of betrayal from person wey suppose protect her. Both stories show say insecurity still dey bite hard for southwest Nigeria. From bandits to forest to domestic staff wey turn enemy, the lesson clear. Vigilance, collaboration and strong security system na the only way forward. Stay tuned, subscribe and share this video. Now your guy dey bring una the gist wey matter. So till next time, stay safe. Thank you for watching.